This video is about finding the total count of a specific text, number, or a date in different worksheets of an Excel workbook. As 3D reference is not compatible with Countif function, I will be using a combination of Countif function and 3D sum. Here we have 4 worksheets containing some random numbers, texts, and dates. For finding out the count of this specific text called Excel and CAD in these 4 worksheets, select a cell in the first sheet North. Let it be the cell I3. Holding the Shift key, select the last sheet containing data, that is the sheet called West. You can see here 4 sheet tabs are now highlighted. That means all these worksheets are included in the selection. And when I change anything here in this sheet called North, that change will happen in all those sheets included in the selection. Equal Countif function. First parameter of Countif function is range. Here we have to specify the data range containing values. B2 to F11 is the data range containing values. Comma. Second parameter is criteria. Here we are looking for the count of the text Excel and CAD. So Excel and CAD is our criteria. Double quotes, Excel and CAD, double quotes. Close the bracket and press enter. The function returned the value 4. Now if we check the remaining sheets, they will have the count of the text Excel and CAD in them. For the count of Excel and CAD in the sheet East, click on the tab for East. Here the count is 4. Then the sheet for South. 3 cells here have the text Excel and CAD and the function returned the value 3. And in the sheet called West, the count is 2. For consolidating the count of Excel and CAD in all these sheets, we can use 3D sum. Equal sum function. Select the first sheet called North. Select the cell I3. Holding the Shift key, select the sheet called West. North full colon West exclamation mark I3 refers to the cell I3 of the sheets North, West, and all those sheets in between them. Close the bracket and press enter. The function returned the value 13. Now when I modify the cell value to Excel and CAD in any of these sheets, the formula will return the updated count. Once again, for finding out the count of the text Zonder number 101 and a date 2nd of June 2019, holding the Shift key, select the sheet for West. This time I will be using cell references instead of direct values inside the Countif function. So I will type in the values here. Equal Countif function. First parameter is range. B2 to F11 will be the range. Comma. Second parameter is criteria. Zonder is our criteria and the cell H5 contains the text Zonder. Select the cell H5. Close the bracket and press enter. Function returned the value 3. Before copying this formula to the downward cells, I have to make the cell reference as absolute. And these are the counts for the text Zonder, the number 101 and the date 2nd of June 2019. For consolidating these counts, equal sum function. Select the first sheet North. Select the cell I5. Holding the Shift key, select the last sheet West. Now drag the formula to the downward cells. And here we have the total count of text Zonder, the number 101, and the date 2nd of June 2019 present in the sheets north, east, south and west. And when I make a change here in any of these sheets, the function will return the updated count. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.